Hi friends, I'm going to explain the procedure for installing screen copy tool which is available on GitHub. This screen copy tool is used for displaying and controlling of your Android mobile on your computer, either using USB connection or over Wi-Fi. For the users of Raspberry Pi and Twister OS operating system users, screen copy installation procedure is a bit easy. For this one, there is a tool available under GitHub itself by name PiKISS. It contains a bunch of scripts with menu for installing different types of scripts. Now for installing screen copy, we have to install PiKISS. First, let us go to installation part. Okay, here the curl command has been given. Just you have to copy this command and paste that one. Copy that command and paste it on the Linux terminal. Once this will install the PiKISS software. Once PiKISS software has been installed, it will be available in Raspberry Pi. It will be available in system tools. Okay. Once this has been installed, you will find different scripts available under PiKISS. For installing screen copy, navigate to other option. Click on that one. Here you will find screen copy. You have to press OK. Once you press OK, screen copy will be installed, and after installation it will be available under system tools screen copy only. Suppose if you want to see where it is, just go to Home Pi apps subfolder. Under that one, screen copy folder will be created. The available options are there. If you want to run this one in terminal, open in terminal. Here just give /SCRCPY. Press enter. So it means it has been installed. So I will explain the full features of screen copy and how it is used for mirroring your Android mobile in my next video. The link will be given in the description part. Thanks friends for watching, and hope you have learned some useful stuff. Thanks.